Greetings, design enthusiasts and home decor aficionados. Today, we're delving into the world of parquet flooring, a timeless choice that adds elegance and character to any space. Join us as we explore styling tips and creative ideas to enhance your home with new parquet flooring designs. Let's transform your space together. Let's dive in. Segment 1: Herringbone Pattern. The herringbone pattern is a classic and sophisticated choice for parquet flooring. It adds a sense of luxury and visual interest to any room. To complement this pattern, consider pairing it with sleek, modern furniture for a contemporary feel or with classic decor for a timeless look. Segment 2: Chevron Design. The chevron pattern is another stunning option that exudes elegance. It's characterized by a series of V-shaped angles, creating a dynamic and eye-catching effect. When styling a room with chevron parquet flooring, aim for a balance between boldness and subtlety in your decor choices. Segment 3: Mixed Wood Tones. Mixing different wood tones in parquet flooring can create a captivating visual contrast. When styling, consider incorporating furniture and accessories that complement the various wood shades while maintaining a cohesive overall look. Segment 4: Geometric Inlays. Geometric inlays in parquet flooring are a stunning way to introduce intricate designs into your space. These patterns can be customized to suit your preferences, offering a unique and personalized touch to your home decor. Segment 5: Layered Textures and Materials. Incorporating various textures and materials alongside parquet flooring adds dimension to the room. This layering technique brings depth and personality to your home decor. There you have it, a glimpse into the world of new parquet flooring designs and how they can elevate your home's aesthetic. Thanks for joining us on this journey of flooring elegance.